Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 GMC Sierra. Stock number is 17G1169B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, and your dual climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.